Welcome back to Moy Decor with myself, Sean Moyer. Masonette holiday home, stripped back, corrective maintenance applied. Finished in Leyland Trade brilliant white emulsion, durable emulsion, satin wood and good home Satori vinyl wallpaper, resulting in the property looking its absolute pristine best, all ready for the new carpets to be laid. Believe and achieve, folks. Believe and achieve. Enjoy.